Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any stress or any worries. Let's begin.
At some point in our lives, we have all been longing and wishing that a certain person would decide to talk to us. Maybe someone has suddenly stopped talking to you and you don't know why. If that's the case, perform this ritual. This is a spell to make a man or woman finally show interest in you and talk to you. The ritual requires no tools, just a pen and a piece of paper. Keep watching to learn how to get a person's attention with white magic, so that they will talk to you very soon. Before we begin, I have to tell you that this type of spell work is not immediate. It's a mistake to cast a spell and expect results to manifest overnight. Patience is required. You can cast this spell any day of the week, preferably in the afternoon or night, when you have time and privacy to do this alone. The best moon phase for love spells is the waxing moon, but you can try it in a full moon as well. Let's begin. Get a blank piece of paper and a black pen or pencil. Think of the man or woman you want to attract. Imagine them talking to you. While you keep that image in your thoughts, draw this sacred symbol on the center of the paper. Start drawing now. Take your time and draw the symbol while this video is playing. This is the ancient Egyptian symbol of Queen Nefertiti. As queen, Nefertiti was loved for her charisma and grace. Nefertiti had many titles including Lady of Grace, Sweet of Love, Lady of the Two Lands, Great King's Wife, and Lady of All Women. While you are recreating this sacred symbol, it's important that you focus on the image of the person that is going to talk to you. Repeat their name in your mind 3 times as you visualize them talking to you. Empty your mind and say the following spell. At this moment, I invoke the great forces to address you and get your attention. With the energy of white light, I send you a message through this prayer. Talk to me. With this symbol, I seal this action. Write down your full name above the symbol. Write down his or her full name below the symbol. If you don't know the full name, simply write down their first name. Fold the paper once towards you. If this is a person that you see often, make sure to keep the piece of paper in your purse or pocket when you are about to see them. If you don't see this person often and you want them to call you on the phone, keep the piece of paper near your phone. For example, leave the paper next to your phone when it's charging at night, and then carry it with you in your purse or pocket. He or she will call you very soon. How long will it take for them to talk to me after casting the spell? This is never known. It all depends on the person who does it and how they do it. Every situation is different and there is no fixed amount of time for this spell to work. Sometimes the person will be in tune with the type of energy we are sending them, and they will pick up the phone shortly after and make a call. Sometimes it can take weeks. There is a possibility that this person has moved on and nothing will make them change their mind. I recommend that you analyze your situation, be aware of what has failed so far and what has worked. Modify what has not given any results and don't lose your patience. If it has been over a week and the spell is not giving results, throw the paper away and start anew. Watch the video again and cast the spell with a new piece of paper. After casting this spell, fortune is already on your side, but sometimes the best for us is the most difficult to face. Are there any risks when casting this spell? No. This Talk to Me spell is a very simple ritual of white magic that makes a specific person get in touch with you. This has worked many times for me, but it's important that your intentions and your emotions are in line before you do it. If you are going through a desperate situation, ground yourself with meditation, relax, and then try casting the spell. Working from negative emotions only brings negative results.
Type I am powerful in the comments. Continue learning. Watch this video now.